Good afternoon, Bob Dalton coming to you live from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It is Wednesday, June 23rd. Happy birthday to my wife, Kelly. So here's what happened in the grains today. Corn down about 5 cents, 346.5 in the July contract. We had the beans down a bit today as well, 7.5 lower, 9.58 in the July soybeans, and we were up just a little bit in the wheat, up 1.5. 462.25 Chicago July wheat. Now, remember, July options go off the board this Friday, so we're going to see some choppy trade here as investors battle over strike prices going into Friday's close, and we see those options expire. Also, next week we have an acreage report coming out on Wednesday, 1 week from today, so we're going to see some I'm anticipating aggressive trading on Monday and Tuesday for those who may get exercised into futures positions ahead of the report that they did not want to be in or would rather not be in. Going to see the market even out a little bit ahead of the report. We are anticipating a bearish report. We are going to release our estimates this afternoon. So before I say a bearish report, let's wait and see what the report that we send out our estimates actually does say. But historically, you can guesstimate that the original acreage numbers are usually pretty strong. Over into the outside markets today, not a whole lot of direction given, although crude inventories this morning were reported right as the grains opened. It was a bearish number, and we did see these grains pull back pretty good off of the open as crude went and made some new lows down around 75.17, I believe it was, in the August contract being the low. But it's since rebounded, and we are sitting right now in the electronics at 76.40, down 145 on the day. So you can see what kind of a bounce we have had off the lows, over $1 higher than the lowest price we've seen, although we're still down $1.45. The dollar right now trading down 35 at 86.06. Over to the livestock, fat cattle today traded down only 5 cents at 90.25. The feeders in August were at 111.90, down 7.5 cents. Excuse me, up 7.5 cents today. And we had the hogs down 50 cents in the July contract. 81.45 is where they settled up. Yesterday we saw some of the lowest total pork storage numbers in the last 6 years, and nearby pork, of course, down 50 cents like I just said today. Cattle today traded 91 cash in Texas and Kansas, and we did see some reports, for the most part, 146 dressed up in Nebraska is where the cash market was trading in the cattle. Again, I anticipate some choppy trade between now and Friday. We'll probably kick around the price points that we're at right now. If you do want help in deciding what you need to do with any cash crop from the old stock that you may still have on hand, we'd be more than happy to talk to you about it. We have had farmers calling concerned about the bottom side on these grain markets and what they should be doing with the cash in hand. We have strategies, so give us a call. We'd be more than happy to talk to you about what it is, in fact, that we are doing to help you market your old grain and possibly get some re-ownership if we do, in fact, find support near the September 09 lows like we did the last time we were down in this price level in the corn, and hopefully get a bounce off from there. Outside of that, weather's a big focus across the Midwest. We've had some significant rains, and it has damaged some of the crops. We have standing water in a lot of fields. High winds, 70-plus mile-an-hour winds here across Illinois, and that carried on over into Indiana. We've also had concerns. I haven't heard of anything touched down here in northern Illinois, but there has been tornadic activity over the last couple of weeks, which is also damaging crops and operations across certain parts of the Midwest. Here in northern Illinois, we are expecting the storms to continue into this afternoon. Right now, it's nice and sunny here in McHenry, Illinois. However, they are telling us by rush hour tonight, which is between 4 and 6 p.m., we should see some significant storms kick back up again. So we'll try to keep you best posted on the storms as they come through and how they are affecting our trade. As of right now, they haven't done anything for us. There is still talk at this weather is, the water anyhow, is needed to a certain extent. If we are, in fact, going to anticipate a dry, hot August, which is now starting to show its face on the radar of those who follow weather a couple months out. I myself, I'm not putting too much stock into it, however, it is being discussed. So we'll see how everything ends up as the summer months continue to churn on here. Again, call Allendale with any of your marketing concerns or questions. Phone number here is 800-262-7538, or you can reach us on the web at www.allendale-inc.com. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great trading week.